Well, TV studio in EIMA, the president of EIMA 2024. Thank you very much. This is the first EIMA as a president. Yes, it is. I'm still excited, very much so. And I hope this state of excitement goes away. In a way, it's a bit too much. But this is a very tiring trade fair. I've been here as an exhibitor, my company has, but as a president is much more tiring. It is exhausting, but it's really a great experience as well. And being there behind the wings and understanding what EIMA is wonderful. We've already given the figures in terms of numbers of exhibitors, square meters, etc. But since you are the president of EIMA, but you are also the representative of a big company. I mean, the countries are changing, world scenario is changing, and what does the future have in store for us? Yes, things are changing. With the current geopolitical and economic crises at the moment, there are shifts also in commercial routes. And when we have these shifts, we also have market situations that are on the move, as it were. They are changing constantly, and with the war between Russia and Ukraine, well, this is a big problem because Russia and Ukraine are large wheat and corn exporters, and so maybe other countries are taking over, the States, Brazil, Australia, so the whole business is changing. Also, mechanization is moving in other directions as well. Australia, for example, in the last 2 or 3 years has imported many more farming machines. The same can be said of Brazil. And during the press conference, I said something important, I think, an important number. 1 billion worth of farming machines importing in Brazil. So Brazil is importing a lot. And how are companies reacting? Well, we have a benefit as an Italian system and as Italian companies. We are small to medium-sized companies, which can be a disadvantage from a certain point of view, because when you are not too large, this can be a problem, but it can also be a strength, because we are more flexible and we can quickly understand where the market is going. And at the moment we are going through a favorable period, I think, because as a country, as a system, Italy, we are working all together. And yesterday we've had Minister Lollobrigida with us, and we talked with him about many issues. And so we are being supported, which is quite important. Yes, it is. Because, of course, politics cannot replace entrepreneurship. But if entrepreneurs and politicians can work together, well, certainly we will win. And there is something I would like to add here. After so many years, for 2 EIMA editions, we've had the same minister, which is quite important. It's not negligible. Yes, it is important. We need continuity, and we business people have always said that we need to have stability, because politics cannot work by itself, business cannot work by itself. I think that if we work in synergy, we will be winning. Italy, from this point of view, from this viewpoint, is going through a favorable period. And what about Trump's victory from the business point of view? Let me go back to what the minister said, which I agree with. A democratic country has the opportunity to vote who they want to pick. And so we, in a way, have to accept it. We accept democracy, absolutely. But in this case too, we should not be guided by biases, prejudices, and negative thoughts. We have to wait for what happens. I'm convinced that our government will be able to tackle the situation and in the best possible way. Thank you very much. Certainly, you are very busy, Madam President. Thank you for being with us, and have a good work and success with EIMA. Thank you. Thank you.